What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and thank you guys for clicking into my video and watching this unboxing. Today on the platter, per you guys' request, we have BoxyCharm's base box for December. So if you want to see what's in December's base box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? Welcome. As I said in the intro, I am your girl, TonyaNicole. Y'all, I have been missing in action, and I am so sorry. A lot has been going on with your girl. I promise, before the weekend is out, I will have all of my comments answered. I hate not answering you guys, but work has been crazy. COVID has been crazy. My anxiety level has been crazy, but luckily something great came out of all of this chaos. As you've seen on my Instagram as well as YouTube, I got engaged, guys. So I'm so excited. I will definitely be taking you guys on my wedding planning journey. Girl, like that's gonna be a whole nother thing. But thank you guys so much for all of the wonderful wishes and words of encouragement and just positivity you guys have given me. I promise, guys, I will get in those comments and I will answer you guys. I hate leaving y'all like stranded. I apologize, my loves. Today I'm drinking on a little Moscato because we're celebrating today being Wednesday. Yeah, I'm engaged, boo, and it's a party. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Before we go any further, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. That video, oddly, is not doing well at all, guys. So if you missed the naked box unboxing, please check it out because the numbers on my videos have been quite low lately. Like, ooh, it's scary. I'm like, I'm gonna have to quit YouTube. Ooh. Girl. But anywho, let's get on into the base box for December. So this one, guys, is the $25 per month beauty subscription from BoxyCharm. We're supposed to get 5 full-size products each month, and it's supposed to have a value of around, I think, $175, if I'm not mistaken. They do allow you to customize one item, and I'm going to talk more about the customizing in the premium video, which is going to be on Friday. Yeah, we got some things to talk about with the custom day. The choice day is just not good. And if you want to sign up, I'll put my link down below. Just go ahead and check it out. And yeah, boo. Okay, y'all. Okay. When we open her up, this is what she's looking like. All right, there. So we do get a card each month. The theme for this month is bubbles and glitz. And on the back here, I get a list of all of my products as well as the prices and my variation number, which I will share with you guys at the end. So please watch the entire video for me. Now, without further ado, let's see what this box got on and popping. Boo, let me take another drink. So guys, the first product is from Elemis. It is the Glow Priming Moisturizer right here, and you get 60 milliliters of product in here, and I never heard of this one before. Let's see what the card says. So this one is a superfood glow priming moisturizer. Reveal a soft lit from within glow with this illuminating prebiotic moisturizer. The lightweight multi-use formula leaves skin hydrated while blurring the look of imperfections. Oh, it can also be used as a primer underneath makeup or applied as a highlighter to enhance your skin's radiance. Alrighty, this retails for $49, guys, and on here it says it's for all skin types. So I am kind of excited about this. I do have oily skin, so anything like illuminating just kind of, you know, ooh, makes me look oily, but I'm hoping that won't be the case with this product. That is what it's looking like, guys. And when we open it up, oh, it's like a little squeezy tube. So let's squeeze a little bit. Ooh. Okay, so when it comes out, don't mind that, guys. That's concealer. When it comes out, this is what it looks like right there. And it's supposed to have like a blurring effect. And you guys can see it's like a nice golden type product. Okay, so yeah, since we're going to be doing more get ready with me's and product first impressions starting in 2021, we're definitely going to be incorporating this baby, and it retails for $49, guys. Ooh, okay. Next product is from Viseart, and this is a seamless eye primer. Okay, so this is what that is looking like right there. Let's open it up and see. My box all beat up. So this is what it looks like outside of that box right there. And this is a seamless eye primer. It says the seamless eye primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. And this retails for $24. Okay, so I know that I picked a palette in my premium box, but I've been using that Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, and girl, I have been loving that. So this one we're going to be putting in a giveaway. It retails for $24. So, okay, I guess I'm okay with getting an eye primer. I don't know. Okay, it is the base box, so okay. Next product is from the Makeup Eraser, and this is the sponge, the first ever machine washable makeup sponge, and that's what it's looking like. I did receive this in a Trend Mood box when these first came out. Let me open it up for you guys. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it above, somewhere up there. So it comes like, yeah, in this little like container like this, with this little lid that you can close up and put this like in the washer and dryer. But the sponge is just like a regular sponge. I do like the sponge a lot actually, and I have been getting some good use out of mine. So I will put this in a giveaway for one of my loves to enjoy. And I think we're going to be doing like a big giveaway at the beginning of the year. I think it's going to be a New Year's giveaway. Yeah. So this is the original Makeup Eraser, the sponge. It's the first ever machine washable sponge. It's specially formulated by the Makeup Eraser. It features some unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge by simply putting it in the washing machine. This retails for $18. And the next product is my choice product right here. I was very excited about this. This is from Glamnetic, and these are the lashes in the style Bella right here. These are the magnetic lashes. Ooh, and I think I'm just going to do like a tutorial video on magnetic lashes. I've never worn them before, but I do like this. Short to long, they feel really pretty. I'm very excited about testing these babies out. Like, I am really excited about that. I don't wear magnetic, but I'm hoping that it'll be okay. And we also got this Black Magic Lip Magnetic Eyeliner here. And we have, let's open it up. All right, and this is what it is looking like, my loves. So I am very happy. At first, I wasn't too happy about this being a part of choice, but I am happy that they at least included the you can't see the lashes as well as the liner. So I do like that. And this retails for, girl, what? Okay, so the Glamnetic Bella Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner retails for $63. Girl, let me take these lashes out again so I can see them. Now, I know lashes are expensive, but this little plastic little lash holder right here is very cheap. The box is not, I mean, I don't know, maybe the lashes, boo, when you put them on, they make your eyes fly. I don't know, but $63 for this and this, y'all know I would never buy that. Like, come on, like Glamnetic, come on, babe. Like, I don't like, that's something I don't like with BoxyCharm and the products that they feature. Is like they inflate these prices to give you value in your box, and I just don't like that. Like, ain't nobody paying no $63 for this. Like, okay, whatever. And then last up, we have this, which is a palette. This is from Iconic London, and let's see. Ooh, oh, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. Now, this did not come with like a plastic covering on it. It just came in this little bag right here. And this is the palette right here. And this is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. This is an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. Maybe the blush shades and the highlighters, maybe. I don't know. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. The blush shades lift the face. They give you that must-have lit from within glow. And the highlight shades are flattering or a flattering candle lit radiance. Okay, this retails for $55, guys. And I think this is like the only shades that you get. The bronzing shade looks like it could be just this one right here. This has some shimmer in it, and this must be like the highlighters and the blushes. I don't know if it'll work with every skin tone. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm probably not going to get a lot of use out of this, but $55, y'all. All right, loves, that was our final product in this month's BoxyCharm base box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Iconic London this face palette here. From Glamnetic, these magnetic eyelashes and the liner. From Elemis, this glow priming moisturizer. From Viseart, this eye primer. And from the makeup eraser, this sponge. So these 5 products, my loves. Final thoughts on this month's BoxyCharm base box is I am pleasantly surprised with the products. This is the base box, the $25 box. So most of the products in here, I am very, very happy to see. The base box has pretty much been killing it over the premium box for a very long time. They don't even release that many premium spoilers because I don't think they even care about the premium box, honestly. But for the most part, I am excited that we got a sponge in here. I do love face sponges. I do love the lashes and the magnetic liner. $63 is a bit of a stretch, but I do love the lashes. I do love that we get a face palette. Also, this Elemis priming moisturizer. The only thing that was okay was this product here. So I must say that it's a pretty decent base box for me. I have variation number 48 right there. And I mean, I'm pretty pleased with the products. I think that a lot of these products are inflated, but overall, I think it's a pretty decent base box. For $25, I think you definitely get your money's worth this month. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn forest. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give BoxyCharm for the month of December for their base box a solid 3.5. Probably even like a 4-ish if the prices weren't inflated. But I really enjoyed the products in this box, and I look forward to using most of these products. So I think they did pretty good for the base box for this month. Let me know down below, guys, what you received in your base box. If you liked it, if you didn't, your variation number or whatever. I have 48. And that's all I got for today, y'all. I'm going to go edit now, get in a bed. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to talking to you in the comments and seeing you guys on my next video. I love you guys dearly. I can't wait to catch up. Bye, guys.